Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, looking down at the tumultuous waters below. That's what cash flow management can feel like for real estate investors. One misstep, and you could find yourself drowning in unexpected expenses and tax liabilities. But fear not. We are GrowthSense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes and in all conditions. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful strategies to optimize your cash flow through savvy tax planning. These insights can not only save you money, but also empower you to make informed decisions in a competitive market. So, let's get started. Number 1, quarterly estimated tax payments. By making these payments on time, you prevent the shock of a hefty tax bill at year-end. Picture this. Instead of scrambling to find cash when taxes are due, you set aside a portion of your income throughout the quarter. This discipline smooths out your cash flow and keeps financial stress at bay. Number 2, tax-advantaged investments. Investing in vehicles like municipal bonds or tax-deferred accounts keeps more of your money working for you. It's like planting seeds that grow without the heavy burden of taxes weighing them down. Regularly review these investments to ensure they align with your financial strategy and adjust as tax laws change. Number 3, business structure optimization. The right legal entity can save you significant money on taxes. Consider an LLC or S corporation for pass-through taxation benefits. This means profits and losses appear on your personal returns, avoiding double taxation. Consult a tax professional to find the best structure for your unique needs. Number 4, maximizing tax deductions and credits. Don't leave money on the table. Keep meticulous records of all eligible expenses. Everything from travel to office supplies can reduce your taxable income. By staying organized throughout the year, you ensure that no deduction slips through the cracks. Number 5, effective cash flow management. Track your income and expenses diligently while forecasting future needs. Utilize accounting software to create accurate cash flow forecasts that help you anticipate shortages or surpluses. Implement just-in-time inventory systems to minimize costs and negotiate better payment terms with suppliers to keep cash flowing. Number 6, charitable contributions. Making strategic donations not only fulfills social responsibilities, but also reduces your tax liability. Set aside a portion of your budget for giving. This allows you to plan for maximum tax benefits while supporting causes you care about. Number 7, technology integration. Leverage innovative tools like automated accounting software to enhance efficiency and accuracy in your financial management. Real-time tracking allows for quick decision-making and improved cash flow management. Now, here's something crucial to consider. Navigating the complex world of tax regulations can feel overwhelming. But don't let fear paralyze you. Embrace these strategies to take control of your financial destiny and avoid costly mistakes. For more insights and resources tailored to enhancing your cash flow strategy, visit GrowthSense.com. Our platform connects you with opportunities in distressed properties and helps streamline your investment process, ensuring you stay ahead in the competitive real estate market. Don't just survive, thrive.